Hey, today we have a Breville 980 that was brought to us for a couple of reasons. One, a loud buzzing sound, which we didn't seem to find when we were troubleshooting and working with the repairs on the machine, as well as the steam wand leaking, and that was due to built-up milk residue over time that it was clogging up the pathways for the air, so it was coming out from other areas that it shouldn't have. So we did a deep clean of that, along with looking at both of the double boilers, which one stands here and one stands over here, and replacing the gaskets within them. So the machine should be working good as new, and we're gonna pull a shot and see how it looks. There's the water pump. Lens for the color, good to go. Color's coming in nicely. Looking good. Great. Let's have a look at that. Another nice color. And then we'll run the steam and hot water function. Steam's working good. Temperature. Start that. Get that out the way. And then we'll run the hot water function. And that is the pump. As the pump just moving water through. The water seems working good. Alright. If you like our videos and want to see more like these, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you later.